Do you want to know how you can log into your YMCA Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your YMCA Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go ahead and open the search bar and search for YMCA Payroll Login, and then click on this link called YMCA of Greater New York. You can see this is the official login portal, so go ahead and write down your username. So you must enter your username in the first box. After you've entered your username, go ahead and click on this password option, and then check your password by clicking on this So button, and finally click login. This way you can successfully log into your YMCA Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.